Today we are on Holland America's Noordam. We're going to check out Suite 8073, which is a signature suite in the SY category, located on the navigation deck, which is deck 8. And this particular suite can accommodate up to 2 guests. It's not accessible, it's not connecting, and obviously has a balcony. Let's head on in. As we look around, got the seating area here, TV on the wall, large, comfortable looking sofa, queen size bed, a separate seating area with your drinks, have a large balcony with 2 lounges as well as a table set up with 2 chairs. So whether you want to lounge or sit down, you can do either. Looking around the suite, we've got the storage solutions there, or the cupboards. Heading into the bathroom, we can see a separate shower stall here, as well as a shower and bath over there. Jack and Jill vanity, backlit mirrors, interesting tile pattern. Obviously got a toilet, and what sort of bathroom would not have a toilet? But you can see the setup there of this signature suite being 8073 on Holland America's Noordam. If any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you want to book a signature suite, it's going to be a link below in the comments, which you can use to search all Noordam voyages, where you can find where an available signature suite is. Just go ahead and do that. You may as well subscribe while you're here. Until next time, keep cruising.